How's it going, everybody? In this video we'll be replacing the front strut assembly on this 2015 Kia Optima. Now that the tire is off, we can inspect our old strut and compare it to the new one that we ordered to make sure that we have the correct part before we go removing the old one. One point I want to note is that this is the SXL Turbo, the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder Optima, and there were two different struts that I could have ordered. One of them had the stabilizer link bracket a bit higher, so one thing you want to note before ordering parts is that the bracket for the stabilizer link is in the correct location. So a quick overview of what we have to remove. There are two brackets on the bottom portion of the strut. This one is holding the brake fluid line in place. The other is holding a sensor cable in place. Just two bolts there. We have the stabilizer link bolt right here. Hopefully we can just remove that, pop it back, and slide it out of place. And then we have these two larger bolts that need to be removed. And lastly, if we pop the hood, we have these three bolts holding the top of the strut cap in place. We use a 12mm with an extension for the smaller brackets. And the stabilizer link is a 19mm. And for the two larger bolts, we have the 19mm and the 15/16. And we'll move up top. This is a deep well 14. So again, just this little lip is holding us in place, as well as the stabilizer link being at that angle. Should just be able to wiggle it out of place here. There we go. There we go. All right, and we can compare the old unit to the new unit. We see that the stabilizer link bracket is in the correct location. All these smaller brackets are in the correct location, as well as the top mounting plate and straightened out. Yeah, here we go. You can actually just grab this top plate and twist it by hand. Make sure these three top bolts will slide into place in the vehicle. I like to start out by throwing a little bit of grease on the bottom here. Just makes things a lot easier to slide into place, especially if everything else on your brake assembly is rusted. You won't have to fight it as much. I'll try to feed this back up. Get the top in place and tightened to kind of relieve some stress off of us. Just gonna feed the bottom through. And then align the top. There and there. You can see everything lifting, so we can tighten these evenly. Just go hand tight on these, that way we can mess around at the bottom and finish tightening these up in the end. Now we'll realign these two large bolts on the bottom. Should be able to just push these up by hand into place. There we go. Good. Should be good down there. We can throw these little brackets back in place. Now to realign the stabilizer link, we'll have to put a jack underneath the bottom here, lift it up. Should be able to get us in the right spot. This one again is a 19. Make sure everything looks good. And we can lower it back down. All right, everything is tight. Now we can throw the tire back on. All right, now that we have the one side done, we can move to the other and do the same thing. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if you could, please leave a like and subscribe.